Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to HackSoft. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how attackers can use social engineering techniques, basically by sending a simple link to track somebody's exact location. Quick disclaimer, this video is made strictly for educational purposes. Please don't use this information for anything illegal. So how this works, we're going to use two tools, Seeker and Ngrok. Seeker is an open source geolocation tool that's going to let us pinpoint the victim's location by capturing their latitude and longitude. Those coordinates can then be dropped into Google Maps to get the exact position. First, you're going to install Git using the provided command. After Git's ready, we'll download Seeker from its GitHub repository with the must git, clone, and paste this URL. This URL is also going to be available in the description. Once it's downloaded, move into the Seeker directory with cd seeker. Then you're going to give the necessary permissions using chmod and install it by running install.sh. At this point, Seeker's fully installed. Next, we're going to set up Ngrok. Download the Ngrok zip file, unzip it, give it permission to run, and move it into the right directory. After that, you'll need an authentication token. So just head over to the official Ngrok site. Sign up and copy your personal token. Back in the terminal, paste the token, press enter, and you're good to go. Now let's fire up Ngrok. It's going to generate a public URL, and that's the link you're going to send to the target. When the victim clicks that link, their location data is going to be captured through Seeker. Before testing, we'll also run Seeker by entering Python 3 seeker.py. Seeker gives you a bunch of templates for social engineering. Pick the one that fits your scenario best. For this demo, we're going to use the near you template. Now, whenever the victim opens the Ngrok link, Seeker is going to show their real-time location details. Now, go ahead and copy the Ngrok link, open it in your browser, and you'll see the Near You page. If the victim clicks Continue, the browser is going to ask for permission to access their location. As soon as they hit Allow, Seeker's going to grab their latitude and longitude along with some extra system details. Here you can see, captured information includes exact location, latitude and longitude, device operating system CPU and GPU details, public IP address, and related info. Guys, if you drop those latitude and longitude coordinates into Google Maps, you're going to see the exact location of your target. Now, I'm not pulling it up live on the map here, but that's exactly how it works. Now, with Ngrok's free plan, the links usually throw up a security warning and looks more suspicious. If you want to remove that, just upgrade to a paid Ngrok plan, authenticate your account, and hook it up with a custom domain. You can either buy a domain or grab a free one from providers like Freenom. Then go into your DNS settings, create a CNAME record pointing to your Ngrok URL, and you're set. Once it's configured, Ngrok will run under your domain, giving you a legit-looking link without any browser warnings, making it way more trustworthy. If you want to keep learning more about ethical hacking and cybersecurity, make sure you hit that subscribe button.